Hi, my name is Kristof and I live in Hampstead. About a year ago, I wanted to convert my flat from a 2-bedroom to a 3-bedroom, uh, make it an open plan kitchen, lounge, and dining area. And so I had a very clear idea of what I wanted to do. I'd also made quite a detailed list, which I sent out sort of for quotes to about 5 contractors, of which Igor was one of them. And what I immediately noticed about Igor was his eye for detail. And he was not like a lot of other builders, like it's all going to be fine, it's all going to be okay. So he was very, very detailed, and that was the reason why I went with Igor. It was a very complicated project because it's in a building of 1910 with huge amount of restrictions of what we can and can't do. And taking out a structural wall was no picnic. So there was a lot of issues we had to overcome, and Igor always found a creative solution. And the best way to describe it is when I saw the project, which was a 6-month project, everything was broken out and replaced, etc. And it was effectively like seeing a garden grow. It was a joy to see it develop. And so all I can say is the whole project from start to finish, we barely had any issues. Every time there was a problem, there were 3 or 4 solutions that Igor offered. And we, as a team, we worked really well together. It was delivered on time and delivered on the budget that we agreed. So yes, I'm very, very happy with what job he did.